Hey everyone, welcome to Jerome Beef Farm and Homestead. We got us a GoPro Hero 7 Black for Christmas, and I've been doing a lot of videos with it, and I've got some different accessories I want to demonstrate and do a product review. So I have a Suptig mount that's got a clamp on the end here. Kind of got some backlight issues here going on. So you can clamp it wherever you want and put your camera wherever you want, different angles, do it sideways, do that, all kinds of things. So the reason I got this, I like to do little B-roll clips from my lawnmower. And I got the idea I want to clamp this on the trailer and kind of sideways there and do like time lapses and things so you can see a view from the back of the trailer through the lawnmower with me driving around beehives and stuff. So I want to hook it up and see how that does. So stick around. Okay. Kind of want to do a side video right there, so I'm going to clamp it right here. And kick the GoPro on, and I'll show you some actual footage of this. Hopefully it'll be cool. Oh yeah. So we got it set 2.7K video, 60 frames a second, and wide with the hyper smooth stabilization. GoPro, shoot video. Bam, we're on. Here we go. Man, that's a fail. I went over that rock. I think it was that bumpy. This thing just doesn't hold much weight. The GoPro don't weigh much. Let's try it. See if we can do it vertical. If that'll make a difference. Don't know if I got anything vertical to hook it to. No. So it looks like it's not going to work for a moving platform, so I'll try it up here on the front if I can find a spot. There, it's not really where I want it. It's down on the bumper, but I can set it up on a real GoPro mount that's on the hood for that matter. But let's try this and see if this works. Okay, you can see how I've got it clamped. So if you keep it vertical, it stays. But if you GoPro, turn off. If you want to do it sideways or something, it doesn't want to stay. So this is more of a stationary type base. You don't want it on things that are moving. I was thinking you could put it on a car window looking out, or I don't know, all kinds of places on the front of the four-wheeler. So I guess the best way to go with those types of mounts is to have the ones that are stuck on with the 3M sticky thing. So this is the Suptig, and I don't remember what it's called. I got it on Amazon. It has a nice clamp. This part here is just kind of weak. So this is the knockoff version of the GoPro one. So the GoPro one may be a lot better than this. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you would, and subscribe to the Jerome B Farm and Homestead. We got a lot of cool stuff going on here, other than product reviews. In the wintertime, product reviews are a good thing to do because bees don't fly around and you can't do bee videos. Sorry. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.